Good. Welcome to circuit theorem properties solution for test 1.2 plane geometry. Watch how interesting it is to solve circuit theorem questions both in objectives and paper 2. It's just by seeing, like I've been saying, you must see a property, apply it to get an empty angle or whatever, then finally you arrive there. So if there's an empty angle you can get it. We have learned all the properties. So let's see how to apply the properties in examination. And I keep repeating, in examination is for smart people, not for intelligent people. Take note. So do the questions that are straightforward to you first. You are done. After that, you come back and tackle the rest. That is smartness. So let's go. Question 1 says, in the diagram, RST are points on a circle with center O. So he has told you there's a center. So something should come to your mind. Find the relationship between X and Y. I've told you in the video that when the examiner asks for a relation between something, two things, write an equation for him. Right. Now, can you see the X is a center? It's an angle formed at the center. Can you see? Y is an angle formed at the circumference. Now, they are coming from the same point. What does it mean? This is a chord. Have you seen it? So that becomes a chord. You can connect and form a chord over there. So if one ends at center, one ends at circumference, coming from the same chord, the relationship between them. And we learned that the one at the center is twice of the one at the where? At the circumference. Because the center one is always bigger. Because building a tower, you learn that the higher you go, the closer you become. So this one is twice, halfway. So the relationship is X is twice of Y. So when you multiply the Y by 2, it gives you the center to make it bigger. Or Y is half of X. So let's see the one the examiner chose to write. Right? Let's see which one did the examiner choose to write. So examiner. So the examiner decided to write X is twice of Y. Have you seen what he has written here? That's impossible. Because the center one is bigger. So it cannot be twice of the twice of that cannot give you Y. Alright. The next question is, what is he asking for? Find the value of Y here. Good. Something is coming to my mind. I can see the same principle. Watch. If I draw a line here to connect, it's a chord. Please, it's not a diameter, because this is the center. So this is a chord. This angle at the center here, AOC, this angle, obtuse angle AOC, is subtended by this chord. Then the one at the center here, at the circumference, which is what? 55 degrees, right? It's also formed by the same chord. Therefore, this empty space, the examiner did not ask me for, though, but when I get it, will help me. It's twice of that. So 55 times 2 will give me what? Because this is twice of that. Will give me what? 110. If this is 110, this angle is 110. 110 plus Y will give me a circle. Can you see? Perfect. You must see a property and apply. So 110. So you can say Y plus 110 equal to 360 degrees. So Y equals 360 minus 110. So what is 360 minus 110? 360 degrees minus 110 degrees. This is 0, this is 5, and this is what? 2. So I get what? 250. Right. If that is 250, then is it there? So let's go and check our answer. 250 degrees. Live and colored, waiting for you. Simple. Just by applying the property. So one property to another property, then you go. So circle is also a property, so you apply. Right. Thank you. Good. The next question is similar. Can you see? Yes. He wants Y. This means this question came in a particular year and student mess up, so the examiner chose to repeat it. He just changed the figure 57. So twice 57 will give it here, isn't it? Like we just demonstrated. So what will be that? 57 times 2 is 1400. So 114, right? So 114 plus y will give you what? 360. So 360 minus 114. This is 6, right? This is what? 4. And this is what? 2. So 246. Let's see if the answer is available. Sure. Waiting for you. Perfect. You do like it? So simple. So simple. Right? He's asking for the value of B. B. Where is B? That is B. What property are you seeing? Looking at the position of B that you are supposed to look for. Okay, I'm seeing cyclic quadrilateral. And cyclic quadrilateral, two opposites. This plus the whole of that equals 180. This plus the whole of that also equals 180. So if I manage to get these two angles at the right side together plus B, I'll equate it to 180 and get my B. You get the picture? So let's see. Now, I think this is 140, right? If I get here and get there, I can get a circle. Then to help me get some numbers. Turn the question paper right now. Turn it on your phone. Let this triangle face you. So if the triangle is facing you, I'll get this. This is the O, right? I'm just relabeling it. And this is the what? S. Here is 30. Right? Remember, because this is center, this line must be equal to that line. Why? They are both radius. So radii are here. Two radius. Two radii. So this radius and that radius, making it at least isosceles triangle. Therefore, here must also be 30. You agree with me? So this is 30. The opposite is 30. You get the picture? Thank you. If this is 30 and this is 30, what do we have? 60. And the home of the triangle must be what? 180. Therefore, here must be what? 120. This is 120. If this is 120, this is 120. So I pulled this triangle out and displayed it. That is what we are supposed to do. So that's 120. If this 120 and this 140 together, 1, 2, 3, this 3 must give me a circle. Therefore, this angle where there's O, I can represent by what? X plus 120 plus 140 must give me 360 circle. So X equals 360 minus 120 plus this will give me what? 260, right? 260. So I end up getting what? 100. So this portion here is 100. This is 100. This angle is 100. So if I get here to 100, then I can easily get this. Then let me pull this triangle also out. Let me pull this triangle also out. For that reason, so now we have gotten here to what? 120. Keep it in your head. This is 30. This is 100. I'm now pulling this triangle out. Watch. I'm pulling this triangle out. So if I pull it out, I get this. This is the 100 on top. Or this is the O. This is, I think it will be R down. And this is S. So, watch. Here. Where they've written A, this portion. If it's 100, what will they share? 80. So 40, 40. Why? It's also isosceles. Watch. This line is equal to that line. So isosceles, 40, 40. So here alone, this angle here is 40. Therefore, 40 plus B equals 180. Cyclic quadrilateral principle, you apply. So B plus 30 plus 40, that is here. I'm referring to here. 30 plus 40, as we just got, equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are summing up to 180. So